Good day, sir. I will discuss the standard of ECDIS operational and functional requirements and route planning, monitoring, and report voyage. So, understanding the ECDIS is the foundation of modern navigation. Electronic chart display is an information system. ECDIS is a far more than just a digital map. It's just integrated navigational system display. Official electronic navigation chart (ENC) integrates information like GPS, radar, automatic identification (AIS). So, IGDIS is a critical role of standardized route planning in IGDIS. There are four types: enhanced safety, compliance and audits, operational efficiency, crew training, and competency. Operational requirements, user interface, inter- interaction for route planning. The ICDIS interface phase for route planning must be to, intuitive efficiency in enabling mariners to interact with seamless system and safe and effective navigation operational and focus user that centric design. There are four types: clear display of navigation information, efficient data input and retrieval, user-friendly route creation tools, and effective alarm warning presentation. Functional requirements system on capabilities for safe route planning. They are route creation management, safety parameter settings, and route verification, route monitoring alarms. Detail function requirement, route creation, and verification. They are four parts of route planning: verification checks under kill clearance or UKC, navigational obstructors, traffic separation schemes, and environment constructions. Detail of functional requirement: safety contours, alarms, and monitoring. There are three types: customizable safety contour, intelligent alarm management, and continuous route monitoring. So this is our customizable safety, like ma-edit nimo. So ma-edit nimo na kanang na mapa na ma-detect ni if is na na shallow water, if mo alarm na siya. So intelligent alarm management, the system data must generate timely distinct alarms of critical situations such as deviation, plan, and cross safety warning. So siya ang mo detect of if they are shallow water, mo-alarm siya dapita na magpaibaw na kuan. Integrational data management, connecting route planning to ship system, like key integration, GPS, radar, ARPA, EIS, autopilot, depth sounder, speed log, and gyro compass. Data management essential. There are four types like chart updates, route storage, backup, data logging, and cybersecurity. Challenges and the best practice in ICDIS route planning and implementation. In challenges, overall reliance on automatic data overload, chart accuracy update, system malfunction, and training gaps. The best practice is continuous training competency, dual verification, bridge team management, and proactive hazard identification, regular system checks, voyage planning and documentation. Conclusion: ensuring the safety of navigation through standardized ICDs. Standard ICDs is route planning is not as Emily relate requirement. It is a cornerstone of safety, efficiency, and compliance maritime operation in the digital age. By adhering to rigorous operational and functional standards, integration, system efficiency, and embarrassing conditions training best practice, the maritime industry can harness the full potential of ECDIS to achieve parallel levels, and navigation safety performance. So, sa route planning sir is if mo ka og route planning is in English, yung track sir is color blue as sa kung ano laboratory blue. If monitoring na siya, if takot ko yung monitoring, the color will change into red. So na pasabot ng red is monitor nito na especially. So report voyage is report the what they can what they report every details or every corner of a beam or so. That's for all sir, thank you and God bless you.